Australia is witnessing significant advancements in renewable energy adoption. However, the integration of these resources into a reliable national electricity supply hinges on effective energy storage solutions. ACEN Australia, a developer and constructor of renewable energy projects, proposes the Phoenix Pumped Hydro project. The project will provide a dispatchable capacity of 800 megawatts and maximum duration of up to 15 hours. Strategically located within the New South Wales Government's Central West Orana Renewable Energy Zone, approximately 35 kilometres west of Mudgee, the Phoenix Pumped Hydro project will play a crucial role in ensuring continuous power supply, even during periods of low solar and wind energy generation. The project, situated on a greenfield site east of Lake Burrendong, between Wellington and Mudgee, will feature purpose-built off-stream upper and lower storage reservoirs. The two reservoirs will be connected by 3 kilometres of underground waterway tunnel via a silo-type powerhouse containing 3 pumped turbine units. The system utilises renewable energy from wind or solar installations to pump water uphill during periods of low demand. During peak demand periods, water flows from the upper reservoir through the turbines to generate electricity, providing dispatchable generation capacity to stabilise renewable energy output. Feasibility study and geotechnical investigations completed for the project confirm the site's suitability due to its natural topography and favourable geology, its relative isolation, as well as its proximity to both water and transmission infrastructure. It is important to note that the project has been designed to minimise interaction with existing waterways and will not impact recreational activities such as camping, boating and fishing on Lake Burrendong. The New South Wales Government has identified ACEN Australia's Phoenix Pumped Hydro as a project of significant importance for the state's energy security. This initiative will contribute to replacing retiring coal-fired generation capacity, enabling the achievement of the state government's renewable energy objectives, balancing social, environmental and economic factors. As Australia transitions towards a more sustainable energy future, projects like Phoenix Pumped Hydro will be instrumental in ensuring a stable, reliable and environmentally responsible electricity supply for New South Wales and the nation at large.